What up, guys? It's Nick back in here with another video, and today I'm doing some Sasuke Jordan 1s. I actually came up with this idea because my cousin wanted these, so I'm doing this shoe for my cousin. And we actually got into like a huge debate about Sasuke or whatever. Personally, I hate Sasuke as a character. Like, I hate him. I never liked him. Never enjoyed him as a character at all. I mean, I know he was some people's favorite character, but I'm not a fan of Sasuke whatsoever. So it was actually pretty annoying to make these shoes. but so I just decided to go ahead and do it for him just because he asked me for it. And process is the same as usual. The subtractive method. This is the older shoe that he gave me, so I had to kind of just prep it and gray it out real quick so I can go over it really easy with the pens and with my line work and all of that. So and the gray makes it easier to build up layers, and it makes the white areas pop out more when you gray a shoe out. So anybody who wants that tip, gray the shoe out. Also another tip is, let's say you don't have a lot of money and you getting into sneaker customization. Let's say you can recycle the same shoe over and over again. So let's say I do this Sasuke shoe, and then but you can't get nobody to buy your shoe. So then you're like, okay, let me just, instead of going out and buying a new Jordan to make more content, just acetone all the paint off and then gray it out, and this light gray layer, it'll cover up everything, so that way you can just start fresh with a new layer of gray, and then you can pencil in whatever you want to. It's an easy way to keep recycling the same shoe if you want to just make content like that. You know what I'm saying? That's just a tip. But anyway, like the reason why I hated Sasuke, I hated the whole concept of KK Genkais and all of that. Like, I don't like people. I like this is just me. This is why, like, he was my favorite character in the show. And you know what I'm saying? I like characters who work harder than other people. Like, I like the ones who actually got to work to get what they get. You know what I'm saying? I don't like people born with special abilities and all of that. That stuff kind of annoys me, just being honest. Like, so from the jump, Sasuke was already at a disadvantage. So, I try to cut some slack because I'm kind of biased to it, but at the same time, and I was kind of with him. Like, I never really liked him, but I cut him some slack until, what was that, season 3 of regular Naruto, where after they had to escort the guys during the race, and then Sasuke got mad that Naruto was the one who was able to beat the dude, and he basically turned into Majin Vegeta. Basically, that's basically what happened. So I really didn't enjoy Sasuke anymore after that. At first I was cutting up some slack. His brother killed his family. That's all we knew at that time. So and you was like, okay, I'm gonna cut him some slack. I understand where his frustration comes from, so I'm gonna cut him some slack. But then when he started trying to get on Naruto just off some jealousy type stuff, nah, I wasn't messing with him. So coming back around, the debate that me and my cousin had was about who gave Sasuke his biggest L in Naruto, the regular Naruto and Shippuden. So it really came down to a preference thing, to be honest, in my opinion, because it wasn't hard for me, like, to pick one. Mine was the answer I chose was him versus Lee, because Lee in regular Naruto, when he first ran into Lee told him, I don't care nothing about no Sharingans, I don't care nothing about all of that. You can see me all you want to, but that don't mean nothing if your body can't keep up. So that was the moment I first fell in love with Lee. So it kind of just trumped anything that anybody was gonna tell me. So but my cousin actually said that the Killer Bee fight was his biggest L, which I don't disagree with. I mean, he did get him, so I'm not gonna just sit up here and go against that. I understand, why he chose to do that, because Killer Bee, that was pretty bad. So it was easy for me to have a selection, I could easily what I'm trying to say, get in line with what he was saying, but it's just a personal preference for me. The Lee fight was better, so, but like, I just never was a fan of Sasuke. Like, I love Itachi, but I hate Sasuke. Yeah, I don't know how that is, but like, that's just how it is for me. Like, I'm just not messing with him, like, as a character and all. Like, people really be vouching for him, but I can't do it. Like, I'm for real, I can't do it. I just don't support him whatsoever. Like, and then I know people gonna say, well, Naruto got the same amount of power ups and everything that Sasuke got and all of that. Yeah, but I don't know, bro. Like, Naruto just appears to have been better. Like, I don't know why it is. It just Sasuke, like your brother giving you his powers and all of that. Man, I just wasn't feeling all that. Like, I love Itachi, I really do, but it was just like that to me. It made Sasuke as a character. It's just like, no, I don't. No, I don't feel for him no more because your big brother was the coldest person. What could have potentially been the coldest person in the show, and you know what I'm saying. And they had to kill him so you could become stronger. I'm not with it. I'm just not with it. But other than that, like I like the show Naruto in general. Like I like Sasuke's role. I mean, somebody got to play it, but I just wasn't feeling Sasuke as a character and all. Now I know some people gonna kill me about that, like, cause I know a lot of people love him. I'm just not one of them. You know, like I said, I told you my favorite character was Lee. Like I like Neji more than Sasuke. I'm for real. Like I know that might be controversial, but I like Neji more than Sasuke. I like Lee more than Sasuke. Hell, I like Ten more than Sasuke. Okay, I'm trolling that, but but I'm just saying, like, you know what I'm saying. He's just not my cup of tea. But I haven't been caught up on Boruto, so I heard he's better in Boruto. Like, you know, people from what people have told me that they say if you watch Boruto, you will probably have a different appreciation for Sasuke than what you do now because he's more Boruto's like mentor than Naruto is. So I mean, which I haven't seen it, so I don't know. But okay, I thought about checking it out just to see, but you know, I heard Boruto had so much filler and it was boring, so I was like, man, I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'll take their word at it. But as far as my relationship with Sasuke, I just ain't feeling it. You know, I may redo this pair because I do like the color scheme, and I kind of did it on the fly, so I don't feel like I did. You know what I'm saying? I gave it the best effort that I could have. You know, so I was really pushed for time when I made the shoe. So um, I may redo it or do a different scheme with it. You know, just to see what I can really, you know, when I take my time, what I can come up with. But you know, my next project, I may just start doing Naruto trend from right now. I may do Sasuke, Itachi, Naruto. I've already done Pain ones. Do some Jiraiya's, do some Tsunade's. I don't know. I may do something like that. But I believe my next shoe is Attack on Titan. I need because the season about to start back up. So that's gonna be the next thing I do. But like other than that, I know I got some Naruto ones I'm gonna do in the future. So because I've done Kakashi, I've done Sasuke, I've done Pain, I've done Itachi on Blazers, but I haven't done them on Jordan 1, so I may do them on Jordan 1s. So I don't know. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna work it out. But you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and holler back.